everybody. Thank you so much for pressing play. My name is Charlene Luciano from stampwithshar.com, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. I've got a cute little treat pouch to share with you guys today. Super cute, easy to put together, great to give to a friend, a co-worker, somebody at school if you're still in school. Easy, 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 easy. So I'm going to show you quickly how this goes. These Hershey cookie layer crunch, you guys, are amazing. I actually picked these up. They were on clearance at our supermarket, and I wanted to try because I love caramel, and these are like to die for. Anyway, so the cardstock that we need today, this is Old Olive. And this piece is cut at 2 inches by 7 3/4. And then I have a piece of Designer Series paper, and this is from the Share What You Love. And this piece is cut at 1 3/4 by 1 3/4. And we need to do some scoring. So I'm going to bring in my Simply Scored scoring board. You can also use your trimmer if you wish. So I have my scalloped tag topper punch, and I'm just going to insert this piece in here and punch it. I want to wait on that side. So we need to do some scoring. I have my Simply Scored scoring board, and we are going to score this at 1 inch. We are going to score this at 3 inches and 3 1/2. And that is it. Now again, this project is fabulous because you can make up a whole lot of these and keep them in a drawer, and then when you're ready or you have a party or something, you can just whip them out and put them together super fast. So this is fabulous for that. And again, you're just going to punch that side, and then you're just going to fold your score lines. And I'm not even going to use my bone folder because it's not really necessary. I have my DSP, and I am just going to add this onto the front, and then I'm actually just going to glue this little flap down just so that it's not flapping everywhere. So just glued that down just like so. I used this velvet ribbon, so soft, it's beautiful. So I used the velvet ribbon, and I pretty much put my cookie in there, grabbed my ribbon. Actually, well, I am going to add a small little bit of tear and tape at the back here. And that way, the chocolate won't slide around. Chocolate will stay where it needs to be. Right, so fold that up. And now the little chocolate won't slide anywhere. So now when it comes time to tying my ribbon, it's a little bit easier. I've got my paper snips. Just going to cut my ribbon. And I am simply now on this one I did a little bow and brought it more on towards the actual little boxy thing. On these, I kind of kept it on the side. So again, it's optional on how you want to decorate your little treat holder. On this one, I did, I punched out, I added a dimensional behind there. I also used some dazzling diamonds just for a little bit of bling. And again, you can also add ribbon to the back of this little hole. Super cute, super easy, lots of fun. I hope you're going to give this a try. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy today's video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That way you won't miss my next video. There is a notification bell. If you do click on that, it will notify you every time I do post a new video. If you're in the US and you're interested in any of the products that I used in today's video, I will have them linked down in the description below. I will also have a written detailed description with measurements over on my website at www.stampwithshar.com, and I'd love for you to go over there and have a look. I do post projects every weekday to inspire you. And yeah, I hope everybody has a wonderful Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by, you guys. Take care.